Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Vishwakarmane Namaha. History has shown us that whenever a community with a rich cultural and religious tradition goes unrecognized or at the point of extinction, a powerful leader with a pure heart and rich cultural upbringing rises from that community and takes the community forward, gets them their due recognition and strive to preserve their rich heritage. In the current context, the community is Vishwakarma community, and we see Swami Shivatmananda Saraswati as the powerful spiritual leader with a pure heart. Swami Shivatmananda Saraswati hails from the Vishwakarma community and had shown signs of spiritual bent right from his childhood days. His spiritual pursuit took him to various places across India where he met his gurus and picked up spiritual gems from each one of them. In 1996, Swamiji began his study of Vedanta Shastra at the bank of Mother Ganga, Rishikesh, Himalayas. He was fortunate to learn from Sri Swami Sakshat Kritananda, who is a direct disciple of Pujya Swami Dayananda Ji Maharaj. Swami Shivatmananda also underwent a course in Vedanta and Sanskritam at Pujya Swami Dayananda Ji Maharaj's ashram. He completed study of Prasthanatrayi, that is, Upanishads, Brahma Sutras and Bhagavad Gita under the tutelage of great and traditional masters in the ashram. Having thoroughly studied the scriptures, he set about teaching what he had learnt to deserving sadhakas. He also undertook social causes, and this paved the way for activities to bring to light the greatness of Vishwakarma community socially, spiritually and culturally. The culmination of all these efforts is the great grand Akhila Bharata Vishwakarma Sadhu Santa Samavesha that we are watching now. Swamiji single-handedly organized this event, and with the blessings of all the Gurus of the Guru Parampara and the Parabrahma Vishwakarma. Swamiji deserves great credit because this is the first time in the history that such a gathering of Vishwakarma community has taken place. It was through the blessings of Parabrahma Vishwakarma that Sri Sri Ravi Shankar Guruji, the great international spiritual guru, came forward to help us, first by giving us his sprawling ashram space for this Samavesha, and also emotionally and physically involving himself in this Samavesha. Guruji is well known throughout the world. He has millions of admirers and followers all over the world. He is widely known as an apostle of peace, spirituality and happiness. Like a flower spreading its fragrance wherever it goes, Sri Sri Guruji spreads peace, happiness and prosperity wherever he goes. A person of his stature to be associated with us is a great blessing.
ओंकार स्वरूपा
ओंकार स्वरूपा ओंकार स्वरूपा
तुझ नमो तुझ नमो तुझ नमो ओंकार स्वरूपा सद्गुरु समर्था ओंकार स्वरूपा सद्गुरु समर्था अनाथाच्या नाथा तुझ नमो तुझ तुझ नमो तुझ नमो तुझ नमो तुझ नमो
ओंकार स्वरूपा सद्गुरु समर्था ओंकार स्वरूपा सद्गुरु समर्था अनाथाचा नाथा तुझ नमो तुझ नमो तुझ नमो तुझ नमो तुझ नमो
नमो माय बापा गुरु कृपाधना तोडिया बंधना माया मोहा मोह जाळ माझे कोण निरशील तुझ वीण दयाळा सद्गुरु राया
तुझ नमो तुझ नमो तुझ नमो
तुझ नमो तुझ नमो तुझ नमो तुझ नमो तुझ नमो तुझ नमो
ओंकार स्वरूपा सद्गुरु समर्था ओंकार स्वरूपा सद्गुरु समर्था अनाथाचा नाथा तुझ नमो तुझ नमो तुझ नमो तुझ नमो तुझ नमो
सद्गुरु राया माझा आनंद सागर त्रैलोक्या आधार गुरुराव
त्रैलोक्या आधार गुरुराव त्रैलोक्या आधार
गुरुराव स्वामी असे स्वयं प्रकाश गुरुराव स्वामी असे स्वयं प्रकाश जा पुढे उदास चंद्र रवी
पुढे उदास चंद्र रवी या पुढे उदास चंद्र रवी
रवि शशि अग्नि मेणति जारूपा रवि शशि अग्नि नेणति जारूपा स्वप्रकाश रूपा नेणे वेद स्वप्रकाश रूपा नेणे वेद स्वप्रकाश रूपा नेणे वेद स्वप्रकाश रूपा तुझ नमो
तुझ नमो तुझ नमो तुझ नमो
परब्रह्म एका जनार्दनी गुरु परब्रह्म तयाचे परिणाम सदामुखी तयाचे परिणाम सदामुखी तयाचे परिणाम सदामुखी
Oh